Hello everyone, we have successfully finished our exhibition in Sarit Center. Now let me introduce what we have in stock in Nairobi. At first, the cast iron cookwares made by our factory. Here we have fry pan and casserole. Here is glove and mat, which is used for after cooking your cookware turns a little hot. You are welcome to following our Instagram and YouTube. Here is the channel information. This bricks made by my friend's factory. It plays like Lego. After you finish, you will get a vase. And there are some other different styles. Human-made diamond, which is made in laboratory. They are beautiful, shining, and colorful. We will shipping more products later to Nairobi.